Home Remedies presents.
Soak your feet in garlic water overnight to pull the toxins out of your body. If you have a body full of toxins, try these homemade foot pads to detoxify the body. They stimulate reflexogenic points and successfully absorb all the toxins in the body. A detox foot pad is a white colored pad that is affixed to the sole. These detox foot pads are formulated with substances that aid flushing out of toxins. These pads are preferably used at night as these provide the best results when kept for a period of 8 to 12 hours. Detox foot pads are hard to find and are very expensive. That's why I decided to show you a simple and inexpensive way to make them at home. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. How to make detox foot pad at home. You can follow the easy steps to make your own detox foot pad at home. Ingredients: onion 1, garlic 1 head. 1 head means 1 full bulb of garlic. Water 1 cup. Preparation: first of all, finely chop onion and garlic. Now add 1 cup of water in a pot. Add chopped onions and garlic to the water and boil for 4 to 5 minutes or until it is reduced to 1/4. Allow to cool slightly. Allicin is released when the vegetable is damaged. So this tonic is most effective if the vegetables are chopped and heated. Your foot detox paste is ready. Take a gauze or cloth and put some paste on it and then place it on the soles. Now wear socks over them so that the homemade foot detox pad stays in place. Sleep through the night wearing the sock to give the onion and garlic concoction time to work. In the morning when you wake up, you can go ahead and remove the sock. The saturated area of the pad should now be a faint brownish color. This color, though a little bit alarming, is actually a good sign. The allicin has interacted with the natural chemicals in your skin to create the brown color, which lets you know the pad has been on long enough. Repeat this process as needed when you are feeling sniffy, sickly, or just in need of a bit of an energy boost. You must haven't thought that body detoxification could be this easy, right? Try this homemade foot detox pad to reap its benefits. For best results, let these detox foot pads act overnight, repeating the procedure for 7 days every night, and then use it 2 to 3 times a week. Benefits of a foot pad detox: encourage the elimination of toxins, stimulation of reflexology points, strengthen the immune system, prevention of the occurrence of chronic diseases, improve sleep quality, enhance concentration, strengthening the body, slow down the aging process, anti-stress effect, stimulating body functions.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.